actually answer question. I will discuss 5 questions. Number 1. What is Illuminate ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interaction? Illuminate ORM Objective Relational Mapper is Laravel built-in database layer that allows to interact with your database table as if they were PHP objects. Each database table corresponds to a model in a Laravel. For example, a user table maps to user model. Number 2. How does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? In Laravel, all HTTP requests get, pause, put, delete, and etc. are directed route. The routes files located in the routes directory web PHP for web routes API PHP for APIs. Number 3. Explain the rules of blade implementing engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel built-in implementing engine for writing dynamic HTML page, which allows to embedding PHP logic directly infused while keeping the code clean and readable. Number 4. What are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel includes several built-in security features to protect applications. CSF, CSRF protection. User token informed to prevent cross-site requests for forgery. Rate limiting prevent brute force attack by limiting request attempt. Instruction Laravel provides easy to use AES 256 and AES 128 encryption. Number 5. How does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel has a task scheduler that allows to define the scheduled tasks inside apps, console, kernel, PHP. Instead of setting multiple rounds job manually, you define all schedules in one place. Then you only need to a single round and write the calls Laravel scheduler every minute. That's it.